Dog Gang. It's your girl Chic Dog, and today we're back with another banger. So you guys, today in this video we're gonna be eating on some crawfish. I have some potatoes, some shrimps, lobster tail. We have some corn back here, and a little bit of, butter sauce. So yeah, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe, and turn on the bell so you'll be notified every time your girl posts a new banger. And join the Dog Gang. Why? Cause it's lit. So you guys, your girl is finally 21. Finally legal, y'all. It was my birthday the other day. My birthday was Saturday, April 24th. So yeah, all my Taurus, show love in the comments. Yeah, I'm gonna start with this shrimp. I'm hungry, y'all. It's the first thing I'm eating today. So oh my god. It's good. That's good. Y'all bear with me. I got this bob and it's like, so I'm not used to it. Yeah, I wanted to do the long nail challenge, but I don't know where to get the nails from. I seen them on Amazon, but they was like $13. And I was not paying that. Sorry. Yo, look, I got some crawfish. So y'all know I'm not no pro. Everybody be like, girl, just get by me, eat by me. I be trying. I'm not a pro. Y'all, I was watching Kim Tai. Juicy. Ooh, there's some meat in there. And I see that she eat. She be eating the eggs. The eggs that be in there. So, I mean, I'm not going to do that, but is that like something that they do? She be tearing it up too. They good. And they big. Every time I get crawfish, they be all itsy bitsy teeny weeny. So it's good. Yes, girl, come through. Thank you to everybody that told me happy birthday. I really appreciate it. I had so much fun, even though I was being like a brat. I never do nothing for my birthday, and so I had a dinner at Chima Steakhouse. Oh, it was steak food. It was a bomb. Oh my god, it was so bomb. Like, cause I've been to Fogo de Chao, but their food was kind of like bland. But Chima, they have like the same experience, but it was something to remember. Their food was good. Everything was so well seasoned. It was so good. It's so good. I don't know know what's going upstairs. What's going on upstairs? And I want to give a special shout out to my girl Malaysia at Malaysia Fashion Mukbang. She sent me a gift and somebody stole it out my mailroom in my building. So I'm so sad that I didn't get it, but I'm grateful. I really wanted to know what it was. Somebody stole it. Which I don't understand because we have lockers and the mail person didn't put it in the locker. And by the time I seen on my little mail app that it was delivered, like on UPS.com, somebody had already stole it. It was too late. Somebody always stealing my stuff in this freaking building. I hate it. This potato rub. Ooh. That's good. Have some fruit punch. Whew. I'm sorry if the it's like glaring. Whew. So good. I'm sorry if I'm smacking y'all. It's so good. Yo. That's good. Let's get into this lobster tail, baby. Look at that. Look how I seasoned it. I broiled it. Look at that. That's good. Y'all know I'm gonna finesse that. Ooh. Yes, came right out. Do I want to break this in half? Yeah. Here go that dough again. There. Perfect. That's perfect. Oh my God. So tender. It's so tender. Mm. Mm. Mm-mm. Mm-mm. I know you lying. Ah! Ah! Yo. She was this. This crawfish was pregnant. Look at that, y'all. All this is eggs. Oh, God. I gotta see this. You see all these eggs in here? Oh. Look. Oh, look, y'all. See, that's the stuff that will literally creep me out. Like, yeah. These are babies. All of that, they are eggs. I can't eat that. Oh. I was not, you know, sorry. Here's my fingers. Okay, it's off. This juicy. I wonder how can you tell like male crawfish from, look how big these are. How can you tell the males from the females? Like, can you tell the males from the females on the outside, from the outside? 'Cause I don't even know. That's like male, like female blue crabs. Oh, I hate it. Wow. Nope. They being ghetto outside. Like, what? Look at that. They big. Good. Wanna taste it? Meat. I'm gonna break it for you. I'm gonna open it.
I tasted them before.
They big.
I ate them before. I don't like them.
Look, these are. Is it crawfish? Crawfish? What the? Is it crawfish season? Like, hold on. These are big. And they taste fresh. Like, they're not like the bag. They don't taste like the bag I thought it would be. Okay, Is they eggs like caviar? Look at this. So good. Whew. That's so good. The little crawfish leg in here. Just rude. They little things spiky. Hakatobe. Badoo. Ugh. Yeah. They killing me. Y'all see it? Ah! I can't. I can't. I won't. I can't. So I don't care. Is that even like, look, cause it's on this one, but it wasn't like far down. I think I'm pulling too much of the head out. I don't even. That's probably brains. This is a big one. Ooh, this is a big one. Look at that. That's big. And I always pull the middle out because it'd be a vein right there. Yeah. I'm just not gonna look. These boys are big, okay? There we go. Take the little vein out. That was stuck. Okay. Got my last one. Yep, and then I just had like a freaking, I had a plate of worms. They probably like, girl, don't eat them. Ain't nothing in there. No. It's the sauce for me. It's so good. Wow. They be working so hard. Like, ooh. So irritating. Ooh. Look at that. Ooh, that's a big one. Ooh. Yeah, it's so good. Ooh. That one was so soft. Look at that, y'all. Yo, I think this is like the first video. Wow. Excuse me. Yo, this is my first time ever finishing my entire seafood boil. OMG. Cause they said I wasn't stumping with the big dogs before. Y'all, oh, phone just got that. I hope you guys enjoyed this video as much as I did. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe, and turn on that bell so you'll be notified every time your girl posts a new banger and join the Dow gang. Why? Because it's lit, okay? And I'm coming back with the bangers, okay? I'm gonna try. I've been slacking, y'all. I need some motivation. So I see you guys in my next video. See ya.